Today in Photoshop, what we're going to do is we're going to add an emoji in Photoshop and kind of make it look real with the Harmonize tool in your contextual taskbar. What you'll also learn is how to add an emoji into Photoshop, size it, and put it behind your subject, rasterize it, and then use the Harmonize tool. Way too much to do, but let's get on it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, let's copy the layer here. Control J. Now what I want to do is I want to put the emoji like right in between the two guys here. But first we got to capture the subject. So let's go up here, Object Selection Tool, and select Subject. And we'll see what it does. Hit your L key to see what we got. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, Control J to copy the layer. What we'll do is we'll put a mask on this top layer, because when I put the emoji here, I still want to be able to see his leg, but I want the emoji to still be behind the boys. I'll show you what I mean. We'll grab our brush, make sure it's black. We'll kind of zoom in here. And what we'll do, we'll turn off the other two layers. Our flow is about 50%, and we'll just erase just the leg. We'll still have the leg with the other layer, but this will make it seem like the emoji is still behind them. There, that's pretty good. We'll just get rid of a little bit more around the ear. If you think you've gone over, hit your X key to go to white and just put it back. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. Zoom out. Now let's turn on both of them again, and you still have the leg. Now we'll go over to our text tool here, and we'll just kind of dab right there. And what you do, I'm using a Windows machine, so I don't know what the comparable is on a Mac, but I'm going to hit the Windows key and the period at the same time, and it brings up the emojis. So let's hit the grinning face emoji. Now just click on it. Hit your Control and left bracket key, and that brings it down to where it needs to be. So hit your V key to move, and let's kind of put them right about there in the middle. But Control T to transform, and we'll make it big. As you can see, he's now behind the boys. We still have the leg, and it's looking even cuter than it was before. So now you can do what you want with the whole thing and just kind of size it and whatever you wish. Putting an emoji in a picture makes it look really cool and special. Now, what we'll do is we'll right-click on that. If you're good with the size and the position of the emoji, let's right-click and go to Rasterize Type. Now, that'll turn it into an image. Now, what we can do is go to your contextual taskbar. Hopefully it's up top here. If it isn't, go to Window and contextual taskbar and then move it up there. And I'm going to hit the Harmonize button. What it's going to do is create 3 options for me to see what it kind of looks like. It'll do its thing. Number 1. Number 2, that looks good. Or number 3. Number 3 looks really good. It makes it look like he's really there. The light from the boys' heads are on his head and everything. That looks very cool. So what we'll do is we'll put the Harmonize layer and the emoji in their own group. Just call it emoji or something. If we're happy with everything in here, we'll hit a Stamp Visible Layer. That combines everything into a really cool layer. Now we'll turn the other layers off. Before, after. Very cool. Now, what it'll tie all together is go to the adjustments. If your adjustments aren't there, again, go to Window and Adjustments. The one I've been using a lot lately is this one called Darker. It just brings the whole picture together and makes it look more lifelike. It might be a bit much, so what we'll do is we'll back off the opacity and we'll just kind of bring it back slowly to where you think, oh, that's starting to look pretty cool. I'm thinking right about there, about 72%. That's really neat. It brings the whole picture together and makes it look like the emoji's actually there. Another Stamp Visible Layer. Turn off the other layers, and here we go. Before, after. What a great pic to have framed. What a great pic. We made this cute pic of these two boys throwing an emoji in the middle and kind of making it look like it's actually there with the Harmonize tool. Makes it a really cute photo that you can put in any photo album and or a frame. If I've helped you, or if you learned anything today, drop a comment down below, like and subscribe to keep the channel going for you. I'm Don with your 40911. See ya.